So we've seen the complete process running for our application, and now what we'll do is we'll check it in MongoDB and see how the different dictionaries are updated in MongoDB. So to have MongoDB, obviously you will have to install PyMongo in this, and then MongoDB instance have to be there. Now in the blog post I've given some tutorials or links to tutorials on MongoDB, so have it installed. Obviously you would have installed all those things, and the tutorials will give you many of the commands which we which will help you in using MongoDB. Here we'll just do some of the basic steps. So to initialize MongoDB, you just give the command mongo. So once that command is invoked, you will see all this, that MongoDB is, the shell is initialized. Now now the next step is to look at what are those databases which are there. So this is done using the command show DBS. Now let's see. So these are different databases which I have. Now RL recommendation is the database which we have implemented. That's a specific database. So in order to, now all our collections would be in the RL recommendation database. Now to use that, we will have to use something called use RL recommendations. So that's our next step. Okay, so let me use RL. So once we use RL recommendation, now the database would be switched to RL recommendations, and everything here would be based on that. Let's clear the screen. Okay, sorry, that will not work because I'm not in Python. Okay, yeah. Now once this is, now let's look at the different collections. So this is by using the command show collections. So show collections will show you all those collections which we have. So here you can see the RL Quantic recommendation tracking, which is the reward dictionary and the value dictionary. Now if you want to go into specific one of these collections and see the records in it, so let me copy this. So this is the command. So earlier we saw in the when we did that run, we did the simulations, we found that the specific state was Q3 February 0 Tuesday. Now let's look at whether this particular exists. So the command for this is db rl record track. This is your specific specific dictionary or collection which you want to track. Find the specific ID. We are looking at the state ID and whether it exists or true or not. If it exists, we will get so this is this is that object. You are looking at the specific thing. So here if you can see, these are the products which were recommended there. So you have an updated dictionary of 111 for each of them, because here we are tracking these products which were recommended. So if you go to other things like a value dictionary and other things, you will get the updated value. So I would suggest you try out these different values in different of these collections and check those values. So this was just a brief walkthrough on MongoDB, and then how you can see those records in MongoDB, because now as an application we know that we need to have a proper database where you will so when you build it into a proper system, we will be fetching these data, the required data, and dumping this data into MongoDB and fetching it from there. So that's why I'm just giving you a brief introduction into MongoDB.